Imagine building an Android game where the enemies think for themselves, the levels generate on the fly, and your NPCs talk to players like real people. With AI, that's not science fiction anymore, it's your next project. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create an Android game using AI, from concept to code, assets, and export. Let's build something awesome. Before we dive into AI tools, let's get your foundation right, your game engine. Unity is by far the most popular for Android development. It's beginner-friendly, has tons of documentation, and supports powerful AI tools like ML agents and external API calls. Unreal Engine is great if you're aiming for cinematic graphics or complex AI logic using behavior trees. Godot is free, lightweight, and completely open source. Great for 2D games with some scripting. And BuildBox is ideal for non-coders, just drag, drop, and publish. Pro tip: if you're planning to integrate AI like GPT or train intelligent enemies, Unity gives you the smoothest workflow. Now think about how you actually want to use AI. Ask yourself, will AI control your enemies? Will it generate maps or levels as the game progresses? Will it adjust the game's difficulty based on the player's skill? Or maybe you want NPCs that talk like humans using ChatGPT. Here's a breakdown of popular use cases: enemy AI, smart pathfinding, group tactics, procedural generation, random levels, puzzles, maps, player modeling, dynamic difficulty, GPT-powered dialogue, realistic conversations, game testing, simulate thousands of test runs. Planning this early helps you choose the right tools later. Let's get practical. Here are some of the best AI tools to plug into your project Unity ML agents. Use this if you want to train your game characters to learn, like how to dodge, chase, or even adapt to player behavior. It uses reinforcement learning and is super fun to experiment with. TensorFlow Lite. If you've trained a model elsewhere, say in Python, use this to deploy it efficiently on Android. OpenAI API. Want your NPCs to speak like real people? Use ChatGPT or GPT-4 to handle in-game dialogue. You can call the API from Unity or Unreal to generate real-time responses. Firebase ML Kit. Great for mobile native AI features like image recognition, face tracking, or even translation. AI isn't just about smart behavior. It can save you weeks on content creation. Need artwork? Tools like Midjourney, Leonardo.icomma, or Runway ML can generate characters, backgrounds, items, you name it. For music, use Boomi or AIVA to auto-generate ambient or action tracks. And voices? AI tools like Replica Studios or 11 Labs can produce natural-sounding voiceovers from text. This means you can literally prototype an entire game in days, not months. Once you're happy with your game, export it to Android. In Unity, just go to Build Settings, choose Android, and make sure you've got the Android SDK and NDK installed. Optimize your AI models and assets so your game doesn't lag. Mobile hardware has limits. Here's a trick the pros use: simulate players using AI. You can write test bots that play your game thousands of times to test difficulty, find bugs, and collect gameplay analytics. This can save you massive time, especially in multiplayer or complex mechanics. The future is wild. We're talking games that evolve on their own, learn your playstyle, and change storylines in real time. With AI, even solo indie devs can create A-level gameplay. That's how you build an Android game using AI, from coding and assets to real-time intelligence and testing. If you found this helpful, drop a like, hit subscribe, and comment below. What kind of AI-powered game would you make? Want full tutorials on Unity ML agents or GPT dialogue systems? Let me know.